Sebastian Vettel, so it's Mark Webber just ahead of Sebastian Vettel. In third place is Lewis Hamilton, a good start also by Robert Kubica.